3, 2, 1, go!
We begin this match with Cloverbots making it to the center of the field first. 2990 Hotwire joining them for the Blue Alliance. A good couple of shots up and in for the Cloverbots on the red side of the field. Will Stormbots be able to join them? And Cloverbots just missing the tower. Unfortunately, a piece of fuel jammed between their frame and the tower. Drivers step forward and take control, and the Blue Alliance scored higher in the autonomous period, which means it's time for the Red Alliance to have their first set of cycles here. And Cloverbots shots up and in, Stormbot shots up and in, Sodabot shot up and in. All three of these Washington teams on that red side of the field. They all also have bots in their name, and they are launching their fuel up into the hub at the moment. 3674 Cloverbots in the middle of the field now, and they are filling up their hopper full of fuel. 2990 Hotwire currently motionless in the neutral zone. Will they be able to get themselves back up and running? We'll find out here. 2915 Pandemonium lining up with their hub, and a couple shots up and in for that Blue Alliance. Lots of fuel going over to the red side of the field, courtesy of the Stormbots, and they return back over the bump with the transition over to the red side of the field. Lots of shots up and in for Clover, shots up and in for Soda, and a couple of shots up and in for Stormbots. Blue Alliance here trying to gather as much fuel as they possibly can that's being dumped out of the Red Alliance hub. 215 to 70 in favor of that Red Alliance at the moment. Pretty big gap here with 50 seconds remaining. And it is now the Blue Alliance's turn to score. Pandemonium lining up on the blue side of the field. Their alliance partners, Carbon Knights, trying to shoot up and into the hub as well. They make contact with the tower, making a pretty big impact noise. Let's hope that's okay for their robot here. And lots of fuel pummeling the Red Alliance hub as the end game begins here. Lots of shots up and in from all three of those Red Alliance robots. Blue Alliance trying to do the same. Hotwire having come back to life for that Blue Alliance. And 313 and 125 at the moment in favor of that Red Alliance. Lots of fuel up and in for them. Will they be able to push up to that ranking point? Not quite, but close. Preliminary scores, 350 right here. Let's take a look. Red Alliance, 358 to 147 are your final scores. 4 ranking points for that Red Alliance, 1 ranking point for the Blue Alliance. All of those Red Alliance robots sliding their way up the rankings.